Hey everyone, my name is Chelsea and I'm the training coordinator here at Corken Steel. I've got some exciting news to share with you today, but first I want to give you an update on our training center. Construction is underway here at the corporate office and we hope to open our doors this spring, so keep a lookout on communications. We'll let you know as we get closer to time. One of the ways we're improving our customer training program is creating an online portal so you can go and register for classes. What does this mean for you? It means 24/7 access to sign up for the classes that you want to take. It means you can sign up for multiple classes at one time, or you can sign up for multiple employees for the same class. You can pay by credit card right on the portal, or if you like to be invoiced, we can still take care of you in that way too. So come on, let's go take a look. Okay guys, we are now at our Corken Steel training website. You can get to it by going to corkensteel.com. Under services, select the training and education option, or on the marketing material, there will be a QR code that you can get to this by toggling over with any smart device. So here's our landing page. Let's talk about the search bar real quick. If you know the class you want to search for, you can come to the search bar and just type it in. So I want to learn about furnaces. I'll type in furnace. I'm going to hit search. And then it's going to bring up all the classes that have furnace within the title or the description. This right here is just an advertisement of the next 5 classes that are coming up. You can see it's toggling through. Coming down here is a good feature. You can browse by category. So both our HVAC classes as well as our roofing classes will be here, and it's organized by category. So if you are interested in CE or continuing education options, you can click here. You can click by location. You can also click by online classes here. So just an example, you can click in and it'll take you to, these are all of our online options. So over here again are those categories if you want to go search around, but let's look at this class as an example. It has the name of the class. This is an online training. It has John Ogle as our instructor, and then the class information. And then of course the cost of the class to participate. So if you click on the name, it'll take you farther into the class. Again, information about the time, the date, the location. Over here, if this is the class you want to sign up for, you just click on register and it's going to populate a field. Who will be attending? This is where you can sign yourself up, or if you want to sign other people up, you can as well. So I'm going to sign myself up. And of course, just click continue. So if I want to continue browsing, I can go back, or if I'm all done and ready to check out, then I can go ahead and check out. So the continue browsing will be really handy if you want to sign up for more than one class. So you start with your email address. Okay, I've actually logged in before, so if this is your first time logging in, it's going to ask you some basic questions like your name, your phone number, email address. But for me, I'm just going to put my password in. The system will save your information in a secured way, so when you come back, you're going to have a quicker checkout. Okay, now we're ready to check out. I have my class with all the information I can review. Here I am right here. So if you are signing up multiple employees, you're going to see them all listed right here. This is the total. Right here, add this promo code if you click on it. For an example, if you're part of our marketing program, one of the benefits is that you can take some of our classes for free. This is where you're going to put that promo code in to make sure you're getting that free class as a benefit. Right here, this is where you add in your credit card information. If you want the system to remember that credit card for quicker checkout, you can make sure this is clicked, or if you want to enter it in each time, you can unclick it. If you want to be invoiced, or if you want to pay by check or cash, you can click right here, this pay by check or cash, and that's going to let us know that we're going to bill you outside the system. So from this point, all you have to do is complete the purchase. And you're going to get prompted that congratulations, the registration is complete. Okay, let's take a look at what it looks like to register for a free and a class that has a fee associated with it. So we're going to go down. I'm going to sign up for the gas furnace one here in Florence. I've already reviewed all the information. This is a class I want to take part in, so I'm going to register. I'm going to attend. I'm going to have Charlie attend with me. Right here, I'm going to continue browsing because I know there's some other classes out there I want to participate with. So I'm going to scroll down, see what else is out there. This one looks good. Looking at the information, I'm going to add it to my cart. And I'm going to go by myself this time. Now I'm ready to check out. I've got the people I want to go. I've got the classes picked out that I want to attend. All right. When you sign up for a class that has a fee associated with it, they're typically going to be classes where CE or continuing education are offered. So this is just capturing a little bit of information. So this is about me. Do I have an HVAC license? I'm going to put yes. Here is a license number, so you put the state it belongs to and your number. And then it goes back to, do you have an account with Corken Steel? So this is for those customers that want to be invoiced. You can put yes or no. If you have an account number and know it, you can put it here. Or if you don't know your account number, just put your company's full name. If you have a PO, you can put it here, and that's for record keeping purposes. Hit save and continue. So same thing with Charlie. He has a license, so we're going to make it up. And then do you have an account with Corken Steel? Put yes. Of course, this is if you want to be invoiced. If you don't want to be invoiced and you know you're going to use your credit card feature, you can just skip over all of these questions. So yes, I have a PO number. I type that in. Save and continue. Now, if you're signing up for a free class, then you're not going to see that questionnaire. So I'm going to review. So here's the two of us. Charlie's registered for one class. I'm registered for two. This is where you put your credit card information in. Or if you want to be invoiced, or if you want to pay with cash or check the day of class, you just click pay with cash or check and then complete the purchase. And you'll get congratulations. Once you've registered, the email address that is provided will receive an email confirmation. Within that confirmation, it'll have where you can download a calendar event to your calendar. And then you will also receive a reminder email 2 days prior to the class starting. Well, hopefully this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out and we'll see you in the classroom.